If you want to create a smart grocery list on your iPhone, instead of having to write it out on a pencil or paper or stick it up on your refrigerator, I'm going to show you how to create that smart grocery list and share it with somebody else like a spouse or significant other. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is use the Reminders app. So take your finger and swipe down and then just type in Reminders here and tap on the Reminders app. From here, tap on the back arrow at the top left, and then we're going to tap on the little plus icon at the top right here, and just have a list name that's called grocery. And you can set a color and a different icon, whatever you want. Let's just tap the check mark at that point. So now you have a grocery list. Let's start adding to it by tapping the plus at the bottom right. And now I'm going to add, for instance, milk. And then I'm going to add another one, and I'm going to name this bread. And then I'm going to add another one and name this cereal. And now I can add a note to these, and essentially it basically categorizes all of these. And once I'm done with these, I can share them at the top right, tap on the share icon. And then just tap on messages here, and I can share this by texting it to anybody, essentially inviting them to edit or add to or remove from my shopping list. Now keep in mind, once you are shopping and you're in there in the grocery store and you've already gotten cereal, you can just check it and you can see that it highlights it and then it removes it just like that, so that you won't necessarily need to manually remove it. You can just check it to remove it. At this point, most channels ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for spending a couple minutes of your day here with me. I really hope that this video helped you out and made your life a little easier.